Howdy crew, got another unboxing for the Profax TIG Masters 17 series torch. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so TIG Master Profax 17 series. And it's going to have the valve. I do want to throw that in there. This is going to have the valve on it. I don't know if all 17 series do have that. I know there is the 17, 17F, 17FV, 17V series. So take it for whatever that is. This should just be the 17. So I'll show you all the box that it comes in. All right, let's go ahead and open this critter up. So handy dandy little chart. Different cups, collets, all that good stuff. And I'll go over this part in a moment. Here's what a torch head handle look like. It does have the valve, so you can regulate your flow. Yes, you will have your regulator and flow meter. Some don't have flow meters, but I will have a flow meter on my argon. But this is also helpful, so if something's just seeming like there's not enough or wind's kicking up, you can adjust this. So that is great. I've not had very much experience to basically hardly at all with this. Normally I've used ones that don't have the valve. Mostly shop environments doing TIG, welding on a whole variety of things from just mild steel, aluminum, titanium, stainless, some rare alloy metals, just a lot of random things with special rods that they're actually quite a bit of fun to weld on, to be honest. But yeah, normally I'm used to something with a foot pedal because normally it's in a shop or working at a specialty event, working on a project that a little bit bigger fabrication table to about this size, and something maybe a few hundred pounds that has to be ready like that. And it's a lot of fun welding on those rare alloy metals. So again, that's what the torch head looks like. I do want to show down at MPB, got this critter, and they do have it hooked up. I'm not sure if these always come like this, or I know they threw this in there. They put it together for me because I believe this comes without this part. So MPB got this attachment so that way can stick it in for TIG, and then also have the air hose, but it's all put together and it has this little sleeve on it. I've used it where it's had this quite a bit and it's great. That way, when you have stuff going on, it's not a bare connection. You don't want this just being out and about. I will be tightening this. It is brass and it's not just coated, which is great. And so this part is Weldtech. I don't know if Profax is made by Weldtech, if they have an agreement with them, but I've heard a lot of good stuff about these torches. I've used some of these, not very many, again without the valve, but I love it when it has this sleeve for whether it be TIG. There's some weird dual shield setup, not as much for MIG, but for some of the bigger dual shield ones, you'll have some of these sleeves too. I mean, for the bigger stuff. And those are fun because it just slips right over and it's great. So you slide it so nothing's really exposed, you can't touch it. It'd be hard to stick your finger in there, especially if you have the argon hose coming out. It's pretty much impossible to get your finger in there to zap yourself. So I think it's great. Again, nice clean connector to go right into the Miller Trailblazer 330 air pack. So this is all good. I'm looking forward to it. I do have some different cups, different tungstens, different collets, all that stuff. And this does come with this, which is nice. I do have some of these as well. A lot of the jobs that I went to, I just trusted my tungsten more, so I'd go get tungsten. I could have done it with stuff that was at the site, but I trusted my stuff more because I took care of it better. So I would have my own tungstens, I'd sharpen it that night, be ready for the next day, take my own little collets, cups, all that. I trust my equipment because I take better care of it, the consumables. So if y'all are working on different job sites and they have cruddy stuff, that may be something you want to consider, is take your own. I mean the little stuff. I don't mean you have to take all the torches and everything, but at least all the goodies that fit in here, your tungstens. Some places they just buy any random tungsten. It's not for any specific job, whereas you need something that has to be working for your project. Some projects require different tungstens. So anywho's, I do have all this stuff already, so I don't have to go and buy it right now. I will be buying more soon though. But I'm very happy with this. This is the 25-foot lead. Not gonna necessarily roll it all out right now. It's kind of going back in the box until the Trailblazer gets here, which will be a little bit while still. But very happy with this. I love the sleeve, so thank you to Gus and Dan and Bobby down at MPB. I appreciate that. They always take good care of me. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing day. I'm not going to use it because obviously I don't have a machine to use it with at the moment. That will be changing very soon. But thank you again to all the guys down at MPB. I will have their card up. Again, I'm not endorsed by them, I'm not paid by them. I just enjoy supporting them because they've always taken really good care of me for many years, and I believe they deserve the credit for all the good stuff they do. So their card will be up at the end of the video. So they're down in Bellflower. If any of y'all are in the Los Angeles area, they're in Bellflower. And yeah, make sure you give Gus a call, see what he's got. He's got a lot of stuff, and as he always tells me, if he don't have it, he can get it, which I really appreciate. You go to some of the other stores, and if they don't have it, they just don't have it. They don't care. But Gus always takes good care of me, and if he doesn't have it, he gets it for me. So, anywho's, that was the unboxing for today, and I'll see y'all in the next video.